Okay, introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pratiksha Awad. I have completed BCA graduate in this year, and now I am pursuing data science and generative AI course. Now I am learning Python, basics of Python. I have done with variables, string, data types, and some operations.
Okay. What is variable in Python?
Variable is like a container. It store value of something, value of, and variable is a
Which
just
type of
name.
value we are storing in variable?
Any type of values like float, integer, string.
Okay. What is integer, float?
Integer is a whole number like 10, 15, and float is decimal number.
You can say to that data type.
Yes, integer and
Floats are
data
types. Okay. Why we are using data types?
data types use because we have to know what types of values we have stored.
Yes. Okay. What is difference between is equal to and equal to equal to?
Okay, is equal to is used to assign value to variable or any operation, and double equals to is used to comparison.
Okay. Python is a object-oriented language.
Yes.
So what is object-oriented language?
Object-oriented language means we use class objects and reuse of code.
Okay, correct. Um, can we convert one data type into another data type?
Yes.
How?
Using okay, I will give example. Uh, n equals to int and there then we assign value.
So if I want to change integer data type into string, how to change?
String, we can use a string function, and inside that we assign that variable.
Okay. What is loop?
Loop is iteration when we have to code, right, like it many times. Iteration use
Yes.
when we have to repeat this code until condition true.
Okay. What is difference between print and input statement?
A print is used to print statement. A print what we have to print. We can send inside the print function, and input function is used to take values from user.
Okay. Means print function is an output function, and input function is an
Input
function.
function.
We are giving some input from that function. Okay. What is the purpose of if statement?
Purpose of if statement is used to check condition, and if a condition is true, it goes to inside if function, and otherwise else function.
Okay. Types of data types in the Python.
Integer, float, string, boolean, list, tuple, dictionary, etc.
Okay. And types of operator.
Assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, relationship operator.
What is difference between if and nested if?
If is used to when we have to check one condition, and nested if nested if means when we have to check more than one conditions.
Okay. What is difference between for loop and while loop?
Firstly, when we know types of when we know equations, like it
I'm asking for loop and while
while
loop.
loop.
Easily. Tell.
While loop means firstly check condition and then increment, and for loop, firstly assign, then check condition and then increment.
Okay. Why should we use loop for loop or while loop?
We can use both.
Yes, we are using both. But why we want to use that loop for loop or while loop?
when we have to iteration, loop means uh,
Yes, yes. We want to.
we want to repeat condition again and again.
So that time we are using
Loop.
okay. Um, when we want to break the for loop or while loop, which statement we are using?
Break statement.
Okay. How many statements are there?
Three statement. First is break, continue, and pass.
Okay. What is pass statement?
Pass statement, when we use only condition, and then we then we no need of statement, then we can pass statement.
Okay. Okay. What is difference between break and continue?
When we use break statement, it stops current operation, current whole operation of code, and when we use continue, then we then it stop current and continue again. It goes to loop or
Continue with the
continue.
loop. Okay. Do you know range function?
Yes.
What is
Range function is used when we use for loop, and it gives range, like when you start and where you stop.
Okay. How many parameter are there?
Two parameters, or single one parameter or two.
Okay. Do you know types of variable? Types of variable. Yes.
Include
Types of variable. Variable means
just take name or container.
okay. So do you know types of variable? Local variable and
Yes, types of variables is local and global variable.